Here at Tribitat Real Estate, quality and detailing are core values. We launched the Ambiance 2 project in July 2022. Since then, we have been working diligently and tirelessly to provide not just great quality, but also timely delivery. We are simultaneously working on the various blocks and units in this estate. Backfilling of raft foundations is ongoing. We have engineers working on casting of the slab. Meanwhile, on some units, framework for the columns are already in progress. We are making sure we deliver only the best to you. Want to see the work on site yourself? Call or send a DM to book an inspection. Tribitat Real Estate, the developers.